So we are doing another guess the logo. So we're going to be doing animals. So this is the hard version. So let's go with wolves. Those are wolves, right? Wolves. A parrot. It looks like the Adopt Me parrot, doesn't it? It looks like the parrot in Adopt Me. I spelled parrot wrong. That's an eagle. Hi, Mr. Eagle. How are you? Oh, eagle. So that is a cheetah. Cheetah. Wow, this is so awesome. Black Panthers look so cute. Black Panther. Wait, I spelled it wrong? Is it Panther? Black. Oh no! Wait, Black Panther. Wait, what? Is it called a big cat? Wait, what is this? Wait, it is a Black Panther. Unless it's like a cat or something. That is not a cat. In whose world is this a cat? This is not a cat. Why? What is this? Let's try jaguar. What is this animal? It's a Black Panther. Isn't it? Black Panther. Black Panther. What? Panther. What if I just do panther? Oh, it's just panther. But okay, so I had to type just panther. That is it a rockfish? Rockfish. Wait, what is this? Is it like a blowfish? Blowfish. What? Rock crab? Rock crab. What? Catfish! Catfish! Wait. Catfish. What about just cat? What about fish? That is a catfish! Wait. Apparently it's called a blighter. What? A blight? What is this fish? What? I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna skip. I'm skipping. I'm skipping. I don't know what this is. Literally. Okay, so I skipped it. I don't know what that was. So, snake. That was really hard. Giraffe. Giraffe. This is that a platypus? Platypus. Platypus! And definitely a duck, a very large duck. Okay, so this is a deer? Or is it a deer? Okay. Oh my god, aren't they so cute? Oh my god, is that koala? Koala. Oh my god. Panda. This is, what is that? Wait, what is that? Is that like a sea eel? Sea eel? Like an eel? Okay, an eel. Okay. Oh my god! It's a badger! Or is it a beaver? Okay, I think it's a beaver, not a badger. It's a beaver. This is... Ooh, wait. What's this? It's not a cheater. We've done cheater. Wait, it might be a cheater. Oh, cheetah. Cheetah. Leopard! Leopard! Oh my god, there's so many different names. Leopard. Oh wait, I can't spell. Leopard. What? It's spelled leopard. Leopard. Wait, what? It's not a leopard? Leo. P-A-R-D. It's not a leopard? What is that? What? It's a lynx? That's a lynx? Are you kidding me? I never thought they looked like that. Oh, wow, that is definitely a bat. They look so interesting. That's a catfish, I think. Hammerhead. Wait, hammerfish. Wait. Hammer? I know it's hammer. It's hammer something. Wait, hammerfish. What? What is this called? Wait, it's hammerfish. Hammerhead. Hammerhead? Hammerhead fish. Hammerhead fish. What? It's called the Great Hammerhead? Great Hammerhead. What? It's still not working. Wait, Great Hammerhead. What? Really? It's not working? I have to skip the picture. That's not even working. You know, I think they're doing this for money. You know, I think they're doing it for money. I think that they're doing... Because that's definitely a hammerhead. Okay, so they're definitely doing this for money because I don't know why it's not working. We're going to be doing Sonic characters, so this should be easy. Actually, I'm not really a big fan of Sonic, so it might be quite difficult for me. So let's do Sonic. Okay, that's Tails. I played a lot of Sonic Speed Simulator, so it should be easy, I hope. So this is Knuckles. Hi Knuckles, how are you? Knuckles. Amy, hi Amy. Shadow, everyone loves Shadow. Everyone loves Shadow. Okay, I don't know who this is. Wait, I think I do know. Wait, I think I know. So this should be Silver, so let's see, Silver? Yay, Silver! So we have Jobs over here, so let's do Jobs. So this is a fireman. Fireman. This is a builder. Is it a builder? This is a clown. This is a chef, maybe? A waiter? Wait. If that's not a chef or a waiter, what is this? I don't know what this is. It should be a chef or a waiter. What? I don't know what this is. Oh, what is this? This is a doctor, so it should be doctor. Doctor. A fixer, like electrician? Electrician. Electrician! This is a farmer. This is a judge. This is a lumberjack. 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 A magician. Magician. This is a mechanic. Okay. This is a musician. Musician. This is an artist. Artist. This is not an artist. A painter. A painter. This is a pilot. Or like, maybe a pilot. A pilot. This is... oh, a plumber. That's a plumber. Plumber. This is a mailman. A good man. Mailman. Mailman. Oh wait, I put 2 L's. Mailman. This is... What are you? What is this? She's got like hearts. Is that like a... What is this? A scientist? A scientist. Oh. This is a singer. This is a teacher. We did it! Yay!